with the fluctuations like in Ethereum, if you just want to make like small profits daily or every other day or maybe every week, is there a strategy maybe with like limit orders that you could place if you like see where it's fluctuating to guarantee a profit?
Arbitrage, in my opinion.
Arbitrage is your best bet.
You can use like coinmarketcap.com. You'll see there's like 28 or 50 different platforms that have Ethereum on it, for example, and then find the ones that have the highest volume. Don't worry about the ones that don't, and then make accounts with them. If you can get 2 or 3 exchange accounts or platforms that allow you to trade Ethereum, then you're going to have 2 or 3 accounts that I guarantee you are never going to be the same exact price. Yesterday, Litecoin, for example, was 146 on, I think it was GDAX, and it was like 173 on Bittrex. And here's where it can get tricky, but it just comes with practice. Is sometimes if you try to send a coin from one exchange to another, that receiving exchange has a protection against that because they know what you're trying to do. So it's very simple. You send it to an Ethereum wallet or to a Litecoin wallet and then back over to that other exchange. And Litecoin's very fast, for example, just using that as an example. So within a few minutes, you can usually take a coin that's 130, and I'm not financial advice, 130 on one exchange. It's the same time, that exact same second. It's 170 on another. You pay a tiny, minute amount of fees, $5, you know, and then you're having, you know, a 30-40% profit on every single coin. And that's easy, prospectively, compared to reading charts because it doesn't involve understanding these patterns. It's just math.